Hello, welcome to ROBOTIS. Today I'll be showing you how to make your ROBOTIS Mini dance by executing your motion files that you've downloaded earlier in R+ Task. If you haven't already, please check out our other videos on making the motion files to make your dance file. If you haven't already, download R+ Task. In order to do this, go to your browser, type in robotis.us, go to Software, go to R+ 2.0, and then scroll down until you find R+ Task 2.0 and download it. As of right now, it's only available for Windows, but we hope to have it for the Mac OS as well in the future. I already have R+ Task downloaded, so I'll go ahead and close this and open R+ Task. Now when you open R+ Task, there are many default files that ROBOTIS makes available for their various products. In our case, we just want to execute our motion file, so we'll go ahead and make a new R+ Task file. Make sure it's set on firmware version 2.0, and then select ROBOTIS Mini. Now that we have R+ Task open, we can see that it's a block programming software. We drag and drop all the elements for our code into the program. We won't be going over how to program in R+ Task in this video, but we will be going over the essential parts to execute a motion file and therefore your dance file for your ROBOTIS Mini. So, to execute a motion index, go to Execute and drag Load into your Start program. On the left part, double-click or click Enter after selecting. Click Controller Device, then Motion Control, and then Motion Index Number. Select, and then on the right side of the equation, double-click or Enter, and select or enter the number that you want to execute. We'll enter the number 1 in this case. Now we've essentially executed our ROBOTIS Mini dance. However, if you're to make a whole program, we want to make sure that the rest of the program doesn't execute in the middle of the dance. To show you what I mean, imagine our robot was trying to do the dance we were doing earlier. Something like this. But right after you execute motion index 1, let's say you execute something else in the program or another motion program, motion program 2. What would happen is that it would start to execute motion 1 and then immediately do motion 2. To make sure that your whole motion is executed when you called it, we'll go ahead and go back to instructions, go to loop, and then drag in a loop while. Alternatively, you can drag in a wait while. In this case, we'll go ahead and use a wait while because it's a little bit more direct and descriptive to what we're doing. What we're trying to do is make the program, the whole entire program, wait, do nothing, while the motion is being executed by the Mini. In order to do that, we'll go to the left part of this if equal or is equal sign, go to Controller Device, Motion Control, and select Motion Status. Click Enter, and then now we have motion status in the left field. On the right field, click True or False. In this case, we want to make sure that the robot, or we are waiting while the robot is dancing, so true. As a short explanation, this just says that we will wait while motion status is true. Let's go ahead and connect our ROBOTIS Mini. Select the select port button, and then select Bluetooth serial port. Now to download this program, we'll go and click the download button. And it's executing our motion group that we created earlier. Now you know how to make your ROBOTIS Mini dance using R+ Motion and then executing your motion in R+ Task. If you like, please check out our other videos. And for more information on any of the ROBOTIS products, please check out robotis.com or robotis.us. Thank you.